Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to delete your Reddit account on your laptop step by step. So if you are done with Reddit and you just want to remove your data permanently from it, you can just simply follow these quick steps carefully. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on reddit.com with the help of your web browser. Now you need to log in into that particular account of yours which you want to basically delete. Now remember that if you delete your account, once it is deleted, you won't be able to recover it. So make sure that you are aware of the repercussions over here. So click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of settings. This is going to redirect you here on this page where you just have to scroll down and the last option would be of delete account. So when you click on the option of delete account, it is going to ask for the confirmation that you sure that you want to delete your account. So if you are certain about it, simply click on the option of continue. Now it is going to show you your email address because they have sent a link on your email address. There you will have to first of all create a password for your account if you haven't already done it. So once you have done that, you will have to come over here again, then provide the password and click on the option of delete account again. So this way you will be able to delete your account. So if it asks you why you are deleting your account, you just have to select the options among the given list and then simply confirm the deletion of your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.